Here are 100 basic and simple questions and answers to help someone in the role of a baker learn English, progressing from level A1 to C3, but not exceeding a 5th grade level in language complexity, starting with, what is your name? 1. Question, what is your name? Answer, my name is Maria. 2. Question, how old are you? Answer, I am 30 years old. 3. Question, where do you work? Answer, I work in a bakery. 4. Question, what is your job? Answer, I am a baker. 5. Question, do you like your job? Answer, yes, I like my job very much. 6. Question, what time do you start work? Answer, I start work at 4 a.m. 7. Question, what time do you finish work? Answer, I finish work at noon. 8. Question, do you work on weekends? Answer, yes, I work on weekends. 9. Question, do you wear a uniform? Answer, yes, I wear a baker's uniform and hat. 10. Question, what do you do at work? Answer, I bake bread and pastries. 11. Question, do you bake bread? Answer, yes, I bake different kinds of bread. 12. Question, do you make cakes? Answer, yes, I make cakes and cupcakes. 13. Question, do you make cookies? Answer, yes, I bake cookies. 14. Question, do you prepare dough? Answer, yes, I mix and knead dough. 15. Question, do you use an oven? Answer, yes, I bake things in the oven. 16. Question, do you measure ingredients? Answer, yes, I measure flour, sugar, and more. 17. Question, do you use recipes? Answer, yes, I follow recipes. 18. Question, do you work with other bakers? Answer, yes, I work with a team. 19. Question, do you use mixers? Answer, yes, I use mixers to blend ingredients. 20. Question, do you decorate cakes? Answer, yes, I decorate cakes with frosting. 21. Question, do you make pastries? Answer, yes, I bake pastries like croissants. 22. Question, do you prepare fillings? Answer, yes, I make fillings for pastries. 23. Question, do you use rolling pins? Answer, yes, I use a rolling pin to roll dough. 24. Question, do you bake pies? Answer, yes, I bake pies. 25. Question, do you sell bread in the bakery? Answer, yes, we sell bread and baked goods. Do you help customers? Yes, sometimes I help customers. Do you clean your workspace? Yes, I keep my area clean. Do you wear gloves? Yes, I wear gloves when needed. Do you follow food safety rules? Yes, food safety is very important. Do you use scales to weigh ingredients? Yes, I weigh ingredients carefully. Do you wake up early for work? Yes, I wake up very early. Do you enjoy baking? Yes, I love baking. Do you need to be precise? Yes, baking requires precision. Do you learn new recipes? Yes, I learn new recipes often. Do you need to be creative? Yes, creativity helps in baking. Do you make special orders? Yes, we make custom cakes. Do you work with chocolate? Yes, I use chocolate in many recipes. Do you bake gluten-free items? Yes, we offer gluten-free options. Do you use different kinds of flour? Yes, I use wheat, rye, and other flours. Do you use piping bags? Yes, I use piping bags to decorate. Do you make bread from scratch? Yes, I make bread from basic ingredients. Do you proof dough? Yes, I let dough rise before baking. Do you need to know about temperatures? Yes, oven temperature is important. Do you use timers? Yes, I use timers to avoid burning. Do you make muffins? Yes, I bake muffins. Do you make bagels? Yes, we make bagels too. Do you prepare ingredients the day before? Yes, sometimes I prepare ahead. Do you need to be organized? Yes, organization helps in baking. Do you wear an apron? Yes, I wear an apron to keep clean. Do you attend baking classes? Yes, I take classes to improve. Do you use baking sheets? Yes, I use baking sheets for cookies. Do you bake pastries daily? Yes, we bake fresh pastries every day. Do you use baking powder? Yes, I use baking powder in some recipes. Do you know about yeast? Yes, yeast helps dough rise. Do you create new recipes? Yes, I like to invent new treats. Do you have to meet deadlines? Yes, we have to finish baking on time. Do you work under a head baker? Yes, I work under a supervisor. Do you need to be physically fit? Yes, baking can be physically demanding. Do you use measuring cups and spoons? Yes, to measure ingredients accurately. Do you bake in large quantities? Yes, we bake in big batches. Do you package baked goods? Yes, I help package items for sale. Do you use mixers with large bowls? Yes, we use industrial mixers. Do you use baking molds? Yes, for cakes and pastries. Do you work with dough conditioners? Yes, they improve dough quality. Do you use kitchen scales? Yes, for precise measurements. Do you follow health regulations? Yes, we follow all health codes. Do you enjoy working early hours? Yes, I like the quiet mornings. Do you make seasonal items? Yes, we make special treats for holidays. Do you use natural ingredients? Yes, we use fresh natural ingredients. Do you maintain baking equipment? Yes, I help keep equipment in good condition. Do you train new bakers? Yes, sometimes I help train others. Do you need to be good at math? Yes, for measuring and scaling recipes. Do you taste your baked goods? Yes, to ensure quality. Do you adjust recipes? Yes, I adjust recipes when needed. Do you work in a hot environment? Yes, the bakery can be warm. Do you manage baking schedules? Yes, timing is important. Do you use bakery management software? Yes, we use software to track orders. Do you order ingredients? Yes, I help keep inventory stocked. Do you interact with suppliers? Yes, I communicate with suppliers. Do you follow trends in baking? Yes, I stay updated on new trends. Do you work with dietary restrictions? Yes, we make items for special diets. Do you keep records of recipes? Yes, I maintain recipe files. Do you test new baking techniques? Yes, I experiment with techniques. Do you participate in baking competitions? Sometimes I enter contests. Do you need to be detail-oriented? Yes, details are important in baking. Do you ensure quality control? Yes, I check for consistency and taste. Do you manage a team? Yes, I supervise other bakers. Do you handle customer feedback? Yes, I listen to customers' opinions. Do you plan production schedules? Yes, I plan what to bake and when. Do you calculate costs and pricing? Yes, I help with pricing items. Do you develop marketing ideas? Yes, I contribute to promotions. Do you attend baking workshops? Yes, to improve my skills. Do you ensure compliance with food laws? Yes, we follow all regulations. Do you handle special events orders? Yes, we bake for weddings and parties. Do you need to be adaptable? Yes, flexibility helps in baking. Do you train apprentices? Yes, I mentor new bakers. Do you maintain hygiene standards? Yes, cleanliness is essential. Do you enjoy seeing customers happy? Yes, it makes me feel good. Do you plan to continue as a baker? Yes, I love my profession. What do you like most about being a baker? I enjoy creating delicious treats and making people smile. Click the link in the description to get these questions and more.